Kumar. My age is 22 and we are studying in EBD group of institutions. I am pursuing my project is on intelligent security system for ATM. In that existing system is only when you enter the PIN number, after the transaction completed, the amount transfer is sent to your mobile. But our system is that before before you want to take the amount, our security system is activated. By this, we are proposing the three options. In that, first option is system access. In that, the user himself want to take amount from the ATM. He himself select the first option from the mobile, and he just enter the amount from the ATM system itself. And the second option we are giving is that mobile transaction. In that, if a card holder himself is so busy in his work, he asks his friend or colleague to get amount from ATM. At the time, when he insert the ATM card in the ATM center, a service is sent to the card holders, and if he select the mobile transaction, the card holder himself want to enter the PIN number and the amount he required, and that is can be taken from the ATM center where the ATM card is inserted. And the third option is that cancel transaction. When the card holder is thought his card is missing or stolen by someone else, he can use the cancel transaction option. With that, he can able to log the further transaction, and without the knowledge of the card holder, there is no transaction can be made after the card has been stolen. If another use this, when the card holder is take the third option, the camera inside the ATM center can able to take the image of the user of the ATM who are using that stolen ATM, can be sent to the bank where the card holder himself take the account, and sent to the police station for further action. By this, our security system can able to prevent unauthorized access of the ATM by wireless.